Hi friends, I am Anirudh from tech2touch.com. In this video, I will show you how to take screenshot on Mi A1 Android One smartphone. For taking the screenshot, there are multiple ways are available. In this video, I will show you two different methods through which you can take screenshots. The first method is using the hardware keys. For this, first go to the screen on which you want to take the screenshot. For example, let me go to settings page. On this page, I want to take the screenshot. Now, you need to press and hold volume down and power button simultaneously like this. As you can see, the screenshot has been captured. The taken screenshot can be accessed from Google Photos and screenshot like this. As you can see here, all the taken screenshots are saved here. Second method is using Google Assistant. For that, first open the Google Assistant and just say take screenshot. Let me demonstrate it now. Let me go to the screen. On this page I want to take the screenshot. Now take screenshot.
Okay, taking a screenshot. Touch to continue.
As you can see, the screenshot has been captured. The taken screenshot can be saved into Google Drive, or you can upload into photos, or you can directly share through WhatsApp, Gmail, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.